Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to our maths class. Here I am Sajini John. In the previous classes, we have discussed about quadratic equation and how to solve a quadratic equation using factorization method. Now, we are going to discuss about solving quadratic equation using formula. Here you can see the standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and the formula for finding the value of x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac the whole divided by 2a. You can see A, B and C, A, B and C. Substitute the correct values in this equation. You will get the value of x. Okay. Suppose in this question 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Here if we are using factorization method, here product is 10, 5 into 2, 10, and sum is equal to coefficient of the middle term, that is minus 3. Can you find two numbers whose product is 10 and sum is minus 3? Try to find out. No, you cannot find two numbers whose product is 10 and sum is minus 3. In this case, we can use this formula for getting the solution set. Okay. So, here A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 3 and C is equal to 5. We can apply that formula. First you have to write this formula. X is equal to minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC the whole divided by 2A, where B square minus 4AC is, what is B square minus 4AC? We know that it is the discriminant. Okay, and we can do this question. Substitute the values in this equation A, B and C, the values of A, B and C in this equation. You will get minus of minus B minus B. So, minus of minus 3 plus or minus root of b square. B square is minus 3. Minus 3 the whole square minus 4 into a is 2. C is 5 divided by 2 into a is 2. Now we can simplify, that is minus of minus 3, that is 3 plus or minus root of 9 minus 4 into 2 into 5, 40, right? Whole divided by 4. Here you can see 3 plus or minus root of minus 31 divided by 4. What is root of minus 31? We don't know what is root of minus 31. We cannot find root of negative numbers. So, in this case, we will not get a solution set. So, for this question, there is no solution. So, we can say that the nature of root is imaginary. We cannot find the value of root minus 31. Therefore, we can write the answer as roots are imaginary. Roots are imaginary. So, with the help of this value means discriminant, we can examine or we can find the nature of roots, which type. Okay, suppose you will get, you just assume, suppose this value is root of 25. We know root of 25 is 5. So, we will get 3 plus or minus 5 by 4. Okay. So that is 3 plus 5 by 4 and 3 minus 5 by 4. So you will get two values for x and this value, and they are different. Two different values. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 by 4, 2. So we get one value 2. Here 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Minus 2 by 4 is minus 1 by 2. So we get two different values of x. So if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, okay, suppose b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, we can say that the roots are real and unequal. And you just imagine, suppose b square minus 4ac, that means this part is 0. Then you will get 3 plus or minus 0 by 4. So you will get two values, but both are equal. So we can conclude if b square minus 4ac equal to 0, which implies roots are real and equal. In this way, we can examine the nature of roots. Okay, that is, the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation depends on the value of its discriminant, b square minus 4ac. Therefore, we can conclude that nature of roots. If the discriminant, that means b square minus 4ac equal to 0, roots are real and equal. And b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. And if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, roots are imaginary. Now see this question. Without solving, comment upon the nature of roots. Without solving. If we solve the equation, we will get the value of x, value of the equation. Okay. So, without solving, comment upon the nature of roots. So, the question is 7x square minus 9x plus 2 equal to 0. We just find what its discriminant, value of its discriminant. So, discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Here, first we can write what is a, b and c. You can see a is 7, b is minus 9, c is 2. And we can check what is b square minus 4ac. Here b square minus 4ac is minus 9 square minus 4 into a into 2. A is 7, c is 2. And we get it is 81 minus 56. It is very clear that 81 minus 56 is greater than 0. So, we can conclude roots are real and unequal. And you can do one more question, and these questions 2 and 3 homework. Exercise 5a 2 and 3 homework. And this question, x square plus 2 root 3 x minus 9 equal to 0. We can examine the nature of roots. Here what is a? A is 1, b is 2 root 3 and c is minus 9. Find what is the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac is 2 root 3 the whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 9, which is 2 root 3 the whole square is 2 root 3 into 2 root 3, that is 12. Minus of minus becomes plus. 4 into 9 into 1, that is 36. It is also 12 plus 36, that is 48. That is also greater than 0. Therefore, roots are real and unequal. Okay. And let's see next question. X square minus ax minus b square is equal to 0. Okay. Here a is 1. This is also in that form, the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That form. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus a, c is equal to minus b square. Find what is b square minus 4ac. You will get substitute values. You will get it is a square plus 4b square. When you simplify this, you will get a square plus 4b square. Suppose a and b in this question, suppose a and b both are whether it is positive or negative, we can find values of a square plus 4b square. Anyway, here the value is square, here also square. So, suppose a is negative, a square is positive. If b is negative, b square is positive. Anyway, the total value of this is always greater than 0. It is positive value. So it is also greater than 0. Therefore, we can conclude roots are real and unequal. Let's see one more question. 2x square plus 8x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now find the nature of roots only. Here we can write a is equal to 2, b is equal to 8 and c is equal to 9. Find what is b square minus 4ac, that is b is 8, so b square is 8 square minus 4 into 2 into 9. So 64 minus 72, it is a negative number because this value is greater. Therefore 64 minus 72 is minus 8. So we cannot find the square root of minus 8. Therefore, and anyway b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Therefore, we can write roots are imaginary. And one more question. Next question is find p if the quadratic equation has equal roots. First you have to think, if the quadratic equation has equal roots, the discriminant is equal to 0. That means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So the equation is, where is the equation? You can see the equation. Equation is 4x square minus p minus 2 into x plus 1 equal to 0. This is also in the form of the standard form. Okay, that is ax square minus plus or minus bx plus or minus c equal to 0, where a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus of p minus 2, c is equal to 1. Therefore, we can find what is b square minus 4ac, or substitute here b square minus 4ac equal to 0. We know that equation has equal roots. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So, substitute values minus of p minus 2 the whole square minus 4 into 1, 4ac equal to 0. Minus of this the whole square, minus and minus cancelled, you will get p minus 2 the whole square itself. Minus 4 into 4, 16. So we can write p minus 2 the whole square is 16. Taking square root on both sides, you will get p minus 2 is equal to plus or minus 4. And therefore, when p minus 2 is equal to 4, you can find p is equal to 6. transpose minus 2 to the other side, you will get p is equal to 6. When p minus 2 is minus 4, you will get p is equal to minus 2. So, we get two values for p. Okay. And next question, question number 5. And 2 and 3 homework. Now find k if 3x square minus 6x plus k equal to 0 has distinct and real roots. What is the meaning? Distinct. Distinct means to different, unequal. Distinct to different and real roots. Now we can start. Since it has unequal roots, since the equation has unequal roots, we can write b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, right? Not equal to 0, greater than 0. So we can write in that way. Here in this question, a is 3, b is minus 6 and c is k. So substitute the values here. Minus 6 the whole square, b is minus 6 the whole square minus 4 into 3 into k is greater than 0. Now we can solve it. 36 minus 12k is greater than 0. You can transpose this minus 12k to the other side. You will get 36 is greater than 12k. Now transpose 12 to the left side. That is 36 by 12, that is 3. 3 is greater than k. 3 is greater than k. Therefore, the value of k is less than 3. We will not get a correct value for k. The answer is k is less than 3. Now, we can do one question. Next exercise. Exercise 5c, solve this quadratic equation using formula. Here, first you have to arrange the quadratic equation in standard form. What is the standard form? Standard form is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Arrange it. Arrange the terms in this way. That is x square minus 6x minus 27 is equal to 0. Now we can write what is a, b and c. Now a is 1, b is minus 6 and c is minus 27. First you have to write the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now substitute all these values correctly in this formula. That is minus of minus 6 plus or minus root of b square minus 6 the whole square minus 4 into a is 1, c is minus 27 whole divided by 2 into a is 1. Substitute that values. Now we get 6 plus or minus root of 36 plus 108 divided by 2. Now 6 plus or minus root of 144 by 2. We know the value of root 144, that is 12. You can substitute that value there. Now we get 6 plus 12 by 2 and 6 minus 12 by 2. That is 18 by 2 is 9. Here 6 minus 12 is minus 6. Minus 6 by 2 is minus 3. So we get two values of this equation. This quadratic equation, 9 and minus 3. So in this class we learned to solve a quadratic equation using that formula. The formula, you have to remember that formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2e. And we have learned to examine the nature of roots. Okay, examining the roots of a quadratic equation means to know the type of its roots, that is whether they are real or imaginary, rational or irrational, equal or unequal. And you have to remember this thing also, the nature of roots of a quadratic equation depends on the value of its discriminant, b square minus 4ac. This is what? Discriminant. And if b square minus 4ac equal to 0, we can say that the roots are real and equal. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, the roots are real and unequal. And if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, the roots are imaginary. They are not real. Okay. And in the next class, we can do more questions from this exercise 5c. The remaining questions in exercise 5c. Okay. Thank you.